Hello there. So I am in Deerfield, Chicago, and I'll be giving you a full house tour of the stunningly beautiful house in Deerfield. Let me introduce you to Miss Mishra.
Hey,
Thank you,
hello.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for agreeing for a small house tour.
Sure. This is a formal living space. Mostly, like most of the my husband's partners and all will come here, and
Alright, so this is the formal sitting area and very beautifully decorated. I can see the color contrasts here, the beige and the radium color. So was it your vision?
it seems like in most of the places it's my vision because my husband's not interested in interiors of any home. He only got one place where he did the uh, interior, and I think that place I don't like it, but you can see for
I
sure.
guess the husbands are the same in India as well as America.
Sure.
So let's move to the other one.
Dining area, which is next to our formal living space. If you see, still we are planning to make add few more chairs to it, as it's of place for the 6 people, but we can make it to the 8th one. And now this is the frame which my husband likes, and he told us like it's a family tree. So let's come to the family room. So if you see, this is much bigger space over here, and most of the times we spend our time over here because we have TV. Next to we have breakfast nook, and after that we have our kitchen.
So when did you come to the US and Chicago?
So previously we didn't bought this house. We were in Evanston, and I came over in 2019 after my marriage, and then I did my masters over here, and now I'm working. So this house we bought in 2022.
I've heard a great deal about the cookie-friendly neighborhood here. That whenever they want to offer friendship to you, they offer a cookie instead.
Yeah, that's true. And when we came here, one of our neighbor gave us a cookie, and that was very delicious. So for Thanksgiving, we also gifted them a cookie, and we also make friendly relationship with our neighbors as well.
That's nice. That's a very calm and I guess peaceful, along with a very friendly neighborhood, right?
Yeah, and here I think in US most of the places are very friendly, but some are not. Like their crime cases are more like in the South Chicago area, that suburban area, it's not very safe as compared to the north ones.
So how did you prioritize this particular area? Do you feel
Where we lived previously in Evanston, that area is very like because it's the college place over there, so people go there. It's a student, so that's very busy place, and this is a very calm place as compared to there.
so? It is a very peaceful neighborhood, far removed from the city hustle bustle that is there in Evanston. This is what I get, right?
Correct.
Alright. So I can see a lot of beautiful plants here. The real plants, in fact. So do you have gardening as your hobby?
Yeah, so actually I like gardening, and most indoor plants look good. I put lots of effort, and I'm thinking I'm doing great job over here. We'll see.
And this beautifully decked up temple. Small miniature temple.
In US, people will not keep dedicated space for the temple, but we decided to keep it because I am very religious,